Purple potatoes owe their distinctive color to anthocyanins, potent antioxidants. Anthocyanins, also found in berries and red cabbage, are responsible for the purple hue. These compounds combat inflammation and shield cells from damage by neutralizing free radicals. Anthocyanins reduce oxidative stress throughout the body. Purple potatoes can improve cardiovascular health by reducing arterial stiffness and pulse wave velocity. Arterial stiffness and pulse wave velocity are key indicators of healthier blood flow. Clinical trials indicate that regular consumption of purple potatoes reduces blood pressure. Reduced blood pressure contributes to overall heart health. Purple potatoes help stabilize blood sugar levels due to their unique compounds. Research indicates that purple potato extracts can lower post-meal glucose and insulin levels compared to yellow potatoes. Diets rich in purple potatoes can reduce colon inflammation and support beneficial gut bacteria. Purple potatoes' fiber and resistant starch content supports beneficial gut bacteria. Purple potatoes may potentially slow the growth of certain cancer cells. To maximize benefits, use gentle cooking methods, such as boiling and baking, to keep anthocyanins level higher.